Hey everyone, welcome to Three Dogs and an RV. My name is Stuart.
Melissa.
And hello from the great state of Ohio.
Great state of Ohio.
John would be proud of us saying the great state of Ohio.
Yes.
Anyway, we're just got into Ohio yesterday. But we didn't do any filming yesterday other than the KOA Sparta review video that I did. So we're out, going to be spending about a few days here in Ohio. We're just north of Cincinnati in a place called Goshen, Ohio. And we're standing outside of Skyline Chili, which is a Cincinnati area staple. Anything you want to add?
No, I'm hungry, so I can't wait to try it.
We're going to go in and have some...
We had it once at the airport.
We did. Airport food's never that good.
Yeah, no.
All right, so we're going to go in and have some Skyline Chili, and the sun is beating in my eyes right now. It's beautiful. It's 80-ish degrees.
Yep.
And you couldn't ask for a better day for October the 11th. All right, we're going to go have some chili.
Much later.
All right, Missy, what do you think of Skyline Chili?
Yeah, it was good.
Just, it was good? Like that? It was good?
Well, it was good.
Where would you compare to your fast food places that you've been to now?
The hot dogs were really good because the buns were really soft.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, we're at Kroger. We're going to go get some groceries. We're back on the road, folks. It's nice to be back on the road. All right, how do you know you're in Cincinnati or the Cincinnati area? Because you got the Bengals on Miller Lite. And we also got Cincinnati Reds bottled water. We are not in Buffalo anymore. I'm chasing Missy around the grocery store. I can't catch up to her. She just keeps running away on me here. Oh, she's in the Halloween. Slow down time because she's in the Halloween section.
Yeah.
She's going to get her Halloween candy.
No, I'm not getting Halloween candy.
The next day.
All right, day 2 in Ohio, Missy. How do you feel?
Tired.
You got a full day of working today.
I know.
We weren't supposed to be working this
It was
week.
a crazy day.
We weren't supposed to be working this week.
I know, but it's
Anyway, so...
a crazy day.
Oh, come on. You can come. Anyway, we're here at LaRosa's Pizzeria.
Yeah.
It's another one of these Cincinnati must-go-to places. And we're here to see... well, you tell us, Missy, who we're here to see.
We are here to see John Gambill from IT for DD or Go Concepts. Great client of ours. We've worked with him for, gosh.
At least 3 years.
Oh, yeah. 3
At
years,
least.
maybe. So we're meeting him and his wife for dinner
Is that
tonight.
it? Dan's not coming?
I didn't ask him.
Oh,
I just emailed John.
Well, I was wondering if he was going to say, hey, Dan.
He could have, yeah.
Dan's
I don't know. He didn't mention it.
Dan's going to watch this and go, why wasn't I invited?
I know, but I don't know because I work with John.
You just threw John under the bus?
No, I threw myself under the bus.
Or did I throw John under the bus?
I did. I threw myself under.
Anyway, Dan, we wanted to invite you, but Missy said no. No, just kidding. Just kidding. I don't know. Maybe Dan's coming. Dan and John are like partners, so they.
Yeah.
You think?
I don't know. I only work with John, and I've worked with John for 3 years. So I said, hey, let's meet for dinner, kind of thing.
Anyway, so we're waiting for. We're here in the parking lot. We're gonna go in and get a. I don't know. We're like early.
Yeah, we are. 15 minutes.
So I'm gonna shoot some sights around here, and then we're gonna go in and have some LaRosa's pizza. So
Yay.
we'll even get the one and only John Gambill Jr. You can't forget the junior.
In the great state of Ohio.
In the great state of Ohio, on camera, and he can explain his relatively theory of life or whatever. Anyway, he's got the pretty interesting stories. All right, let's go eat and eat.
Yeah.
Oh, this is LaRosa's. So I'm gonna shoot some video so you can see what it's like. Cool little pizza place. Look who we ran into in Lebanon, Ohio, in the great state of Ohio. It's John Gambill Jr. in the flesh, the race car driver.
Yes. aka the race car driver.
It's a little dark.
The grill master.
The grill master,
A
IT extraordinaire.
a man of many experiences.
Now you can't see his cool hat because it's black and it's dark outside.
I have my usual favorite colors on.
But we're just walking around here at LaRosa's and look who we bump into.
a Cincinnati staple.
Yes, exactly. Any words of wisdom?
About LaRosa's?
Cincinnati, LaRosa's,
Anything?
Chili, anything?
Well, since we are here in the great state of Ohio, and you are here in our wonderful hometown of Lebanon, my words of wisdom are: you came at the right time because you'll get to experience probably most of the seasons.
That's right.
Over the next couple days.
Yeah.
It's going to be hot. It's going to be cool. It might even be cold. You'll get them all because that's the way it works here in southwestern Ohio.
You gotta love it.
So, but no, it's always great seeing Stuart and Missy and knowing they were coming through the area in the new Crawford Ship 1.
That's the name of it.
That we had to get together and
We haven't figured out a name for it yet, so we're waiting for the right name. Anyway, good to see you.
Bezos rocket's already taken.
All right, we got to go and hit Walmart and do some running around. So,
A few moments later.
all right, Missy. Well, we're here in our rig. We have me and the dog. Archie's here. Sammy's buried in there. You're doing stuff on your phone. Spooky's down there somewhere, and we have hockey back on TV. Montreal and Toronto. So we're just here sitting in Ohio, just trying to settle into our normal life. So I thought I'd just do a quick video because we worked all day today. We didn't get a chance to get out and do anything. So I'm hoping that we'll get back to some level of normal. Today was Missy? Today was like I need to breathe. Yeah.
Well, it's Wednesday.
Yeah. Just need to breathe and get back to normal.
Yeah.
All right, time to watch some hockey.
The next morning.
All right, welcome to day 3 of our Ohio layover. On our way to Nashville to see the Bills and Titans in Monday Night Football. And yeah, it's a nice day out here in southwestern Ohio. And we have some issues going on with our brand new rig here. Nothing is going to stop us from doing what we need to do. But we have these great guys from local mobile RV repair shop. I'll link them in the comments below here. They're here. Called them last night about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Here first thing this morning, taking care of business. Customer service means a lot to me, so that is crucially important. So we're gonna go and I'll shoot some video and see what they're doing. They're fixing our awning, and our passenger seat has no power, so we're gonna see what they're doing. All right, we're back inside the rig. Missy's over here working away. I'm here at my makeshift desk. And Damon, Craig, the RV guy that came out to look at our awning and our power seat, got the power seat fixed in like 3 minutes.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It was like, so we replaced the fuse because that's what Thor asked us to check the fuse. I don't think there was a problem with the fuse, but the fuse cover had one of those kind of plastic sheets on it that I couldn't see if the fuse was burnt or not. And again, I'm not an electrical guy, so I can't tell. There's another way to test that. Maybe there's some electrical guys say, hey, just if you looked here, you would have saw it. But anyway, we replaced the 30 amp fuse. That didn't fix it. So Damon and his partner came out, in 3 minutes had it fixed. So it ended up being just a loose cable at the back of the power seat that they reconnected, and everything's working great. And then they fixed our Girard awning issue. The awning was intermittent, going in and out. The motor was still running. You can hear the motor running, but the awning wasn't going out. So they fixed that, got it realigned, and did a bunch of stuff there. All in all, a few $100s into it. They did a great job. Peace of mind that everything's, those 2 areas are taken care of from a repair perspective. But it's really great to have an awesome, I don't know if you get that on the camera there, an awesome mobile mechanic. If you guys are ever driving through the Cincinnati area, this is the guy to call. I don't know if you could read it on the camera, okay. Highly recommend if you guys are traveling through the area and you need somebody to give a call. A little shout out for them, because I called them at 4 o'clock yesterday and they were here at 10 o'clock this morning, and all done, wrapped up at by 11:15. So now I got to wrestle with my dealer and my manufacturer to get my 300 and change money reimbursed, because I did pay for the super high-end warranty. So I'm now got to deal with that. Anyway, thanks everybody for tuning in. We're still here in Ohio. We're going up with the world famous John Gambill Jr. again tonight for dinner. Missy, are you excited about that?
I am.
She's super excited. Can you tell?
Yeah, I am. I'm totally into this.
She's totally into work mode now. You don't bug her when she's in work mode. And of course, Sammy's here sleeping away on his chair. Archie's buried down there in a dog bed somewhere, and we have no idea where Spooky is. Do you know where Spooky is? He's feeling around looking for Spooky. He's probably buried.
Maybe in this chair.
He's probably be in the driver's seat. All right, I got to get to work now. All right, thanks everyone. We'll check in with you guys on our way to Lebanon to see John and Kim for Kim, right? Kim, John's wife. Yeah, John and Kim for dinner tonight at a really fine historic establishment in Lebanon. I stayed there many years ago when I came out to visit John for the first time when he came on board with us as a client. Talk to y'all a little bit. See you on the road. So Missy, where are we at?
Black Horse Tavern.
The Black Horse Tavern here in Lebanon, Ohio. So we're gonna go in and have some burgers and beer, I guess.
With John.
With John Gambill.
Yes.
John Gambill Jr.
Yes.
Which you saw earlier in this video
In the great state of Ohio.
Because we ran into him a couple days ago at LaRosa's. Now now we've returned the favor. Now the hotel I stayed at.
Okay.
When I was here in the first trip. Now I think my room was that one just by the tree branches there, the leaves coming out. I think that's the room I stayed at. There's a gazebo up front here. Let's take a look.
Is it the hotel that's haunted or the restaurant?
I think the hotel is haunted. The Golden Lamb, that's what it is. That's the hotel, the Golden Lamb.
Okay.
Yeah, right
Well, there's
there.
a Golden Lamb restaurant too.
Yeah, I think there's a private dining, isn't there?
Well, no.
So yeah, I smoked a cigar on this bench out here when I was on the phone with you one time.
Okay.
So yeah, nice little gazebo.
That's so pretty.
Typical stuff that you would see, in an Ohio town, right?
What's this?
And it's it's a nice. They really. This is like what, October 13th when we're here. Yeah. So 13th.
14th, isn't it?
No, 14th tomorrow. Is that the day we're leaving tomorrow? You go to Kentucky. No. Lebanon was founded in 1802. Oh. So yeah, let's go and have a look inside. Let's go walk through the hotel. You can walk.
It's the 14th.
Is it the 14th today?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's walk through the hotel and have a look inside the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think this is the door. This is the door you can get into the hotel here. After you.
Go ahead.
Oh, thank you. So this is the beautiful old hotel. You know what it reminds me of?
Yeah.
The one in Niagara on the Lake.
And the other one that we stayed at, oh gosh, I can't remember what planet we were seeing.
All right, we're taking a tour around Lebanon, Ohio. We just had dinner with John at the Black
Horse Tavern.
Black Horse Tavern at the what was the name?
The Lamb.
The Golden Lamb. The Golden Lamb, and here in Lebanon. And now, Missy, I given the answer away.
No, you didn't.
Missy, who was the first person to walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
We're at Neil Armstrong Way here in Lebanon. Get that, folks, Neil Armstrong. So we just had to stop and take a picture of the sign. And
well, there was a better sign right there.
we're going to see if we can get on there and do it in a safe way, in a safe manner. Because where is it? It's quite a ways down there, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
We're going to have to figure out a way to get around there without causing too much of a traffic chaos. Stay tuned. All right, so we found another sign here in Lebanon on Neil Armstrong. Let's see if we can get up there and get it angled properly. So, dedicated to Neil Armstrong, first man to walk on the moon. He lived here in Lebanon from 1971 to 1994.
Very cool.
So, pretty cool history for you space buffs out there. Well, I mean, when they walked in the 1969, right? When they went on the moon, right? So, but I think it was after April. So I was around.
Yeah.
I was walking this earth, Missy. You were definitely walking this earth.
Oh
well,
my God.
You're a couple months older than me.
Yeah.
Right? So you were here. I think I was here. I'm gonna have to ask my family and see if they were. When I think it was later in the year they marked in 1969, right? If anybody knows when they walked on the moon without us looking it up, put it in the comments below, because
I'm sure we can Google it.
I'm sure we can Google it too.
You know the Google?
I know the Google, yes. I work in the Google every day. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Neil Armstrong called Lebanon, Ohio home from 71 to 94.
Very cool.
Some pretty cool history. All right, it's getting dark. We're going to start making our way back to the rig to make sure the doggies are okay.
Yes.
And then tomorrow's driving day.
Yay, driving day.
So I think we're going to do a little bit of a tour through downtown Lebanon on the way out.
And we're going to an awesome Harvest Host, so.
Looking forward to awesome Harvest Host in Georgetown, Kentucky tomorrow. Kentucky rain keeps falling down. That was Kentucky rain keeps falling down. That was like my Elvis.
Oh, okay.
You know Elvis? Elvis did a song called Kentucky.
Yeah,
well,
yeah.
Elvis never wrote his own music. He sang other people. So he re-sang a tune called Kentucky Rain. Where did that come from?
Very cool. What is it?
I don't know. Oh, that's a message. Oh, that's
Okay.
why it popped up on my screen.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we're going to go.
Run.
Bet you can't guess where we are now. Okay, so what's the secret, Stuart?
Well, sorry, folks. We're outside the car wash now. We had a technical issue with the phone. But yeah, my secret to the car wash is... Oh, what was my secret to the car wash?
Probably something to do with the dryer time, maybe? Drive real slow so you use up all your dryer time?
Drive real slow so you use all your tires. But also, I think... Oh, I know what it was.
What?
Always buy the cheaper car wash.
Right.
Don't buy the super expensive one. Get the cheap one. I think you get the same amount of wash.
Yeah, probably.
You don't get all the waxes and fancy waxes that you don't need anyways. Just use just use the cheapest one and you get a good enough wash, because when we get down the gravel road at the campground, it's going to be dirty again anyways.
That's true.
All right, so time to make ways to Lake CozyDale and go see the doggies.
Tomorrow for sure.
All right, everyone, welcome to Kentucky. We finally got a chance to stop and end off our Ohio series. Now that we're in Kentucky, and Archie's sniffing around here. We're stopping at a rest stop on 71, 75, just outside of Cincinnati, heading to Lexington today. So we're going to end this edition of 3 Dogs in an RV. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of our videos. And we'll see you from our Harvest Host location just outside of Lexington, Kentucky in a few hours. Have a good one, everyone, and see you on the next video. Dean, cue the music.